How to edit your profile picture on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn, then go to your profile on the top left, open it up, and then just tap on the profile picture. And you can see view or edit profile picture. You can tap on it and then you can tap on edit. Now, once you tap on edit, you can see you can zoom it, you can rotate it, you can change the aspect ratio. So you can just move it around according to your choice. You can increase the brightness, contrast, even saturation, and all. And after you're satisfied, just hit done. And then this is the way that you can edit your profile picture, and you can even add frame. Just tap on add frame, and there are various frames provided by LinkedIn. You can just tap on it and the frame will be added, and you can just hit apply on the top. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.